Okay, so talking about probate, probate is a court process that you need to go through if a family member of yours passed and the house that they owned was not in a trust. So in order for you to take ownership of it and either to be able to sell it, you need to go through probate, and I definitely recommend getting a lawyer to do that. It can be a pretty complicated process, especially if there's multiple heirs involved and whatnot. And the best way to avoid probate is if anyone actually who owns a house really should be putting their property in a trust. And there's different kinds of trusts. They can be set up different ways, but it's basically a process that you set out before you pass that says once you die, this is what's supposed to happen to the who's supposed to inherit or to get the house. Because if you don't have that and it's not in a trust, then you always need to go through probate, and it can be just a long and complicated process. And most people, especially after already suffering the loss of a family member, the last thing you want to do is go to court. So definitely put your property in a trust. But if you do have it in probate, you can still sell. It's a longer process.